welcome back again guys. I'm Ankit. I'm here to talk about app development. Basically in this video I will give you overview of app development. What is app development? Basically app development is a process in which we design or create the app for various purposes, for personal use as well as for other client or companies. Basically it is also in demand because it's become a flexible, because after developing a skill you can work for other as well as for personal use. You can earn a lot of money by using app application development. And who is app developer? So app developer is a person who develops app or create a app for various purposes or various uses, for a personal use or for other uses or for other companies as well as organization. So what are the skills required for it? What are the qualifications? What are the programming languages for it? And how you can become app developer in India? So watch till end guys. ये वीडियो आपको ये काफी धमाकेदार होने वाली है, तो अंत तक बने रहिएगा. So first step to become an app developer is you can pursue diploma as well as bachelor degree. In diploma they will not teach you more, but in degree you will aware of all about it. But when it comes to degrees like BSc, CS or BCA, it's become tough because in BSc it is a basically theoretical degree course, but in BCA they teaches practical knowledge. And the second degree is for BTech. If you are a beginner, then you can also pursue bachelor in computer science and IT. And it also depends college or college, because in tier 3 colleges they don't teach you all about app development. So it's become necessary to develop these skills personally, because they will not teach you. So develop this skill and work hard on this, because this is going to be very boom, because you can work as both as a freelancer as well as for other companies. So this becomes a very essential skill nowadays. Now the second step is to learning programming skills like Java, Kotlin, Flutter, etc. So I will discuss all about these languages further in this video. Now I'm going to talk about the third skill which is required for app developer is to learning the platform, means that on which platform you want to work for, Android or iOS. Or the fourth one is to building portfolio. A strong portfolio can help you a lot in your life or making networking with others in a professional world, because in this professional world networking is very essential, and you can also build your profile on various social media so that the recruiter can easily hire you. And the fifth thing is to gain experience. So for gaining experience you can do multiple internship offline as well as online. If you want to gain experience, then it becomes easy to work with other companies as well as for other clients, and also they refer you more valuable. Let's move ahead. Now I'm going to talk about various other skills required for app development, like problem solving skills, technical skills, and also creativity skills. Basically in technical skill you have to develop all the variety of knowledge about this app development, web development, and how software developers, how their IDE works, and how programming languages works, and also their syntax algorithm, all about it, how their code editor work, as well as how they combine and how can you make your app. And second skill is a problem solving skill. To become an app developer, this is must be inside yourself, because there might be created a lot of problem when you are going to develop an app. So it's become very essential. When problem come to yourself when you are developing your app, then how you can solve it, how can you manage it, how can you ask for others, and how you can take help from others. It's all matter. So problem solving skills become must to learn for app development. So the third skill is creativity skills. This skill helps you a lot, because without creativity there is nothing, because it's work like spices, because it makes more interesting or interactive for others as well as client. It's become very attractive, and your client is also attracted by your works. So develop creativity skill also. So guys, the market size of app development is going to be reach $407 billion by 2026. This is showing the boom of app development in India. Do you know guys, the most demanded programming languages for Android development is Java, and for iOS is Swift. It is the alternative of Objective-C. So let's move ahead. Now I'm going to talk about which programming languages you have to learn for app development. So let's explore it. The first language is Java, because of its supporting OOPS concept and also becoming a high level language. It is used for app development. It is also a platform supportive language because it supports all the other operating systems. So there is no need of modification of code in other operating systems. So it's become easy to develop with Java code. And the other features due to which Java is also in demand, like it supports largest community and resources. It also supports OOPS concept and the security features. Well, now I'm going to talk about second languages which is used for app development, which is basically Swift. Swift is a modern language used for iOS development. Basically all the Apple apps are designed in using of Swift. Basically this language was developed in 2014 as an alternative of Objective-C language. So let's talk about key features for Swift. Basically Swift focuses on safety, reliability and performance as well as modern language features and interoperability with Objective-C. Make it a strong choice for building high quality and maintenance code. So let's move ahead. Now I'm going to talk about third language which is Kotlin. It is used for app development. It is also a functional programming language which supports concise and null syntax. So let's talk about features of Kotlin. Basically it is conciseness and readable because it is more concise and readable than Java language. And the second feature is null safety. Null safety. Kotlin has a built-in support for null safety. It helps to prevent null pointers exceptions. The third feature is interoperability, which means Kotlin is fully compatible with existing code of Java code, which make it easy to add Kotlin code to existing Java project. And it is also a functional programming language. Kotlin supports functional programming language to support higher code function, lambda and immutable data structure. And the fourth language is Objective-C. This language was used before 2014. So let's talk about its key feature. Basically Objective-C is an object-oriented programming language which is an extended form of C and it's also support object-oriented programming. So let's move ahead. Now I'm going to talk about what to do after learning programming languages. Let's move ahead. Now I'm going to talk about editors for app development. Basically there are two demanded editors like Android Studio and Android SDE. These are editors because you can edit your code here and program your code here and you can easily make your app, and these also provide a UI design and here you can also make other designs and navigation. So this provide all the things, and you have also need a phone to check out all the code, how it is running and how it will seen after writing the code in this editor. So in this video I basically discuss the basic of app development and what programming language skills required for it and education required for it and portfolio making. And do you know guys, the market value of app development is going to reach $1 trillion by 2023, means in this year. और ये फैक्ट्स जानकर आपको कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। और ये फैक्ट्स आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि कैसे ऐप डेवलपमेंट का मार्केट बूम पे है, मतलब इसका डिमांड बढ़ते ही जाएगा। ये ऐसा इसीलिए जिसे डेवलप करने के बाद आपका वैल्यू काफ़ी बढ़ जाएगा, मतलब आपका डिमांड हर जगह होगा। मतलब आप खुद का ऐप बना सकते हैं, आप दूसरों के लिए भी बना सकते हैं, आप एज ए फ्रीलांसर काम कर सकते हैं। सो इट्स बिकम मोस्ट एसेंशियल स्किल टू डेवलप। सो दोस्तों ये ऐप डेवलपमेंट की वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। ऐसे धमाकेदार वीडियो आते रहेगी तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिएगा, कमेंट करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलिएगा। सो एंड आल्सो इंप्रूवमेंट इज गोइंग ऑन, सो गाइस यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन एंड यू कैन आल्सो सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल टू सपोर्ट अस गाइस। एंड मिलते हैं जल्द से धमाकेदार वीडियो तक, जल्द तक के लिए टेक केयर।